I didn't create my first funnel because I wanted to be fancy or I wanted to do all kinds of crazy, elaborate marketing. I did it because I was tired of hustling my butt off. I was tired of missing my daughter learning how to ride her bicycle without training wheels for the first time. I was tired of missing my toddler learning how to walk all the way across the room without hanging onto the furniture for the first time because I was out with prospects. I can't even call them clients because I did not have a signed buyer brokerage agreement. That's a whole other story for another day, but I was too afraid to ask them to sign anything. So I didn't have them locked down. And in the end, neither of them actually bought anything. So I wasted all that time and I was tired of doing that over and over and over again. I needed a way to get clients who were high quality, who actually intended to do something, but actually valued my time and did not expect me to work 24/7. And that's what this funnel did. This funnel worked to get me better quality clients more consistently without having to work 24/7. And the best part about this funnel, it worked even when I wasn't working. I was able to take time off and be with my family or go on vacation, and I still got leads coming in. And the crazy part is that I stopped selling real estate at the end of 2022, and I still get leads from this funnel today in 2025. And I want to show you how I did it. So here's the back end of my CRM. These are all of the leads that came in. And I'm just going to scroll to the very bottom so that I can show you we've got a grand total of 3,355 leads. And these are people that mostly came in through that funnel. How did the funnel work? I focused on one platform. I did not focus on Facebook. I did not focus on Instagram. I focused on the channel, the platform that I liked best, which is YouTube. I made free YouTube videos, organic videos. I did not run ads to these. I just posted videos on my YouTube channel to my ideal prospect. Now, these were not good videos. At the beginning, they were terrible. I think we will all agree that these were not well-made videos, and that's okay because we all have to look how old those videos are. When I look at my hair, oh my gosh. Yeah, that was a long time ago. But I decided I wanted to specialize in working with people in the military that were going to be PCSing to my city, to be stationed here. And perhaps they'd always lived on base, lived on post, and they wanted to buy a house because it was very affordable in Savannah. So what I decided to do was make my entire channel for people who are in the military, relocating to Hunter Army Airfield, and they want to buy a house when they get here. That was the gist of the funnel. So YouTube was the platform where I offered it. Then in the videos and in the description box below the videos, I would have something that I would have to offer them. And it was what I call a lead magnet. It is a free downloadable PDF, something of value, so that I didn't make a video and just say, if you have any questions, call me. I didn't just say, I'll put my contact information in the box below the video. Instead, I said, if you're thinking about relocating to Savannah and you don't know anything about it, I've made an entire relocation guide for you. It's totally free. Just go download it. I'll put the link down below. They would click on that link, go to this page, and it's got my brokerage information, so I'm compliant. It tells them what they're getting. It's the ultimate Savannah relocation guide, a brief description of what's in the guide, a picture of the guide, and then when they click the button, they fill out their contact information. So I had people fill this thing out over and over and over and over again, hundreds of times a year. It was crazy. I went from being a brand new agent in town, having moved from Atlanta to Savannah. Within 6 months, I was getting the majority of my clients from YouTube. Within 12 months, I went to my broker and said, I am so busy. I can't handle all of this business. What do I do? And she said, I think you need help. You gotta hire somebody. So I formed a team, and within a few years, we were up to 9 agents. The vast majority of our clients were coming from this YouTube channel where we made organic videos. It was crazy. So we send them to this page where they would download the free guide. For the people that lived in Atlanta, it was a different page. For the people that lived in Hilton Head, it was a different page, but they all looked pretty much the same. They would download the relocation guide. Now, this will work for sellers too. And in fact, the first 2 leads that I got from this channel were seller leads. So even though I was talking about moving to Savannah, if you're in the military, the first client I got, not just a lead, a client, like he was a lead, but then I went to his house and I listed his house for sale. He signed on the dotted line. He was not in the military. He was a seller. The second one, also a seller who was in the military, was leaving Savannah to go to Fort Eustis. He signed as well. So even though I was targeting buyers, military buyers with this channel, I still got seller leads. But if you want to get only seller leads, that works great too. You just have to figure out, what is my channel about? What will I talk about? And what can I offer that would be something of value that they would want to download and give me their contact information in order to get? And like I said earlier, the thing I love so much about this is that even though I've retired from selling real estate several years ago, I still get these leads every single week, and I just send them out to other agents and get referral fees. So this is the gift that keeps on giving, people. I need you to consider making a funnel. And if you're thinking right now, I don't even know what I would offer, then watch this video next, because I talk about exactly how to make this free downloadable PDF that will bring you hundreds and hundreds of leads as well.